Oh wow, that clipped on there really nicely. All right, now let's set up the solar panel. That is the one benefit about the sun, is you get a bunch of solar. So I was super stoked when I found out that the new IceCove air conditioner came with not only its own battery, it also came with this solar panel to run the whole dang thing. How cool is that, man? Panel should be good right about there, and then we'll run the wire up. So right when we plugged it in, you can see it's charging our battery. Batteries never come fully charged, so always got to charge them up a little bit, but it's charged enough. And we've got USBs down here, a USB-C, and then also another 12-volt out to make this able to charge other things and run other things other than just the AC. So let's turn it on. Look at that. No freaking way, you guys. Cool air is coming out of there. So rad. So yeah, it's 88 in here right now. Put this near us here. How about that, Bubba Beans? Well, this is pretty cool. Oh, coach, that cold air is so nice, isn't that? So here, let's turn it down. I think the lowest it goes is 61, which is pretty low. And then, oh, it's got a light. What a cool light with 3 different settings. Oh, rad. I love when there's just extra features. How convenient is that? With 3 different settings for the dim. That is great. Well, you guys, so the battery readout is just these blue lights. There's 1, 2, 3, 6 of them here, and you can see we've only got 2, you know, a little bit there. So I don't know how much solar we're actually bringing in, but there's cold air coming out of here, and that is pretty amazing. This is quite the unit. It's like an all-in-one system, which I really like. You can take this panel off and kind of see inside a little bit there. Looks like some quality components, you guys. They're not hiding anything here. I dig that you can actually like open that, service it, check it out. I guess I should shove up this to kind of seal in that cold air. This unit also comes with a 12-volt charger, 110 big old charger. So you can charge this off the inverter. You can charge it off a cigarette lighter. Let me tell you why I'm jaw dropped right now. Okay, you guys remember this was 1 and then 1 was blinking like it was dying. I was expecting it to go away and just be 1 and for this battery to just die. But it's running the air conditioner and charging the battery right now. All right, codes, how are we doing on official temps? What? 73.9. This place is cooling down, you guys. Yeah, incredible. Incredible. Loving it. Just loving it. Look at that. It's putting out 62, 52 right now. What? Awesome.